mountains in the background with the water and the bridges make it just magical. Welcome to Hang Mua Mountain Viewpoint. If you will drive all the way to the entry, you will park your bike just for 10,000 dong. Wow, this is so beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. Hi guys, I'm Sofya. Welcome back to my channel where I explore the world's most fascinating destinations. So we're supposed to climb all the way to the top of the mountain. We heard that it's around 500 steps. Today I'm taking you to Hoang Ma Mountains, located in the beautiful Tam Coc region of Vietnam. A really cute place that don't miss when you walk around and you're going all the way to top. You have a little coffee shop that you definitely don't want to skip, because when you enter the coffee shop there is a little window and path all the way to the back, so you can go and take pictures or videos in the fields. It's so gorgeous. Let me take you with me all the way to the back. So like you can see the bar, you can get a little ice cream.
We're having an ice cream break.
Ice cream break. Another interesting fact about the Nong Na Long Mountains is that it is surrounded by the rice paddies, and it's a popular spot for boat rides along the nearby river. These boat rides take you throughout a series of caves and limestone formations, which are truly breathtaking. This place is absolutely stunning. Everywhere you look, this natural nature look absolutely gorgeous. You can also buy some traditional dresses here. So right now we are entering the Mua Caves, and it's apparently a little bit colder inside, so you come here, you need to have a little jacket with you. The mountains is also home to a number of caves, some of which have been turned into temples and shrines. The most famous of these is the Hoang Mua Cave, which is located near the top of the mountain and offers incredible panoramic views of the surrounding landscape. Enjoy the sounds of the waterfall. Pay attention to your head when you're coming inside the cave. It's kind of hot actually. So this cave is actually very, very small. Do not need jacket because it's so hot inside. To reach the cave, visitors must climb a step stairs of 500 steps, which is challenging, but the view is definitely worth it. So it's not an easy climb, but we are doing it. It's lots of steps and stairs to climb. What's nice about this climb is that you can sit and take a break in many, many places. Overall, the Ngoc Ngoc Long Mountains is a must-visit destination for anyone traveling to Vietnam.
with its rich history, stunning natural beauty, and breathtaking views. It's no wonder why is this such a popular spot for all visitors.
So far it's looked like a very lovely and cute little town with really lots of stores and restaurants, and you can do a massage, lots of souvenir shops. So massage around $13. There's some cute coffee shops. You can rent bikes here for the whole day, bikes or motorbikes, explore around, a boat tour. Right now we are very new to this town, we just arrived. So let's see what's interesting here. So this is the first restaurant we're going to try their food. It's called Thai Lin. I'm not sure I'm pronouncing it correctly, but it's very cute and beautiful. Let me show you.
So we got fried noodles with beef for 55,000. I got noodles with chicken. Leo got sweet and sour chicken rice for 65,000. The chocolate pancake for 30,000. Yep. Mila got very comfy and cozy. She's taking a little nap until her food will arrive. It's very hot, like you can see. Do fu. Misoy. Put lemon in. Good. To make it super spicy.
I'm doing that.
You show that you really enjoy, like your food.
Walk.
Tasty, good, hot. I still think right now in Minnesota it's better.
Did you
Love it.
want to see my results?
Thank you. So Leo decided to try my soup. Leo, what do you think?
Good.
You like it?
It's all thumbs up.
Yeah.
It's the Vietnamese spicy pho challenge. Leo Barth, can you handle it? Will you try spicy pho in Tam Coc, Vietnam? Yeah. He likes it.
Oh, Singha. It's not Saigon. So we are staying in a green peach bungalow. It's a very, very cute little guest house. It's actually located in the center to our guest house. Right now it's winter, so the weather is a little bit cold. You cannot swim here, but like you can see, there is a swimming pool here. So when the weather is beautiful, you can dip yourself in the water. There is 6 or 7 bungalows. So let me just show you how bungalow look. So like you can see here, this bungalow is a little bit bigger. So it's really cute little room. And we found this room in Agoda. So this is our room. Like you can see, you have here 2 beds. So we paid $146 for 4 nights, about $36 a night. And we are really happy in the location, happy for the guest house.
Look at this. She just made for us pancakes with eggs. Excitement is real. Guys, we just got our breakfast. This is amazing.
You're for promiscuous, my style is ridiculous. See us in the club, we like to be nice. See us on the floor, we want.
Say welcome to Tam Coc.
Welcome to Tam Coc.